In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your custom domain to Firebase hosting. First, make sure your site is already deployed to Firebase hosting and reachable on its default web.app URL. This confirms that hosting is set up correctly and that your project is serving files before you introduce a custom domain. Now open the Firebase console, go to your project, and select the hosting section. Here, click Add Custom Domain. Type in your domain exactly as you want it, such as example.com, and continue. Firebase will ask you to verify that you own this domain. It will display a TXT record with a host or name and a value. Keep this tab open. In a new tab, sign into your domain registrar. This could be a provider like GoDaddy or Namecheap, and find the DNS management area for your domain. Add a new TXT record using the host name and value exactly as Firebase shows them. Save the record. This TXT record doesn't change how your site loads. It simply proves ownership. If you see other DNS records in there, leave them alone unless you're sure they're not needed. Once that TXT record is saved, return to Firebase. After verification starts, or even while it's still processing, Firebase will provide 1 or 2 IP addresses for A records. These are what actually point your domain to Firebase hosting. In your DNS settings, create a new A record for the root of your domain. Many registrars use the @ symbol or a blank host to indicate the root. Paste the IP address from Firebase as the destination and save. If you also want www.example.com to work, add another A record with the host set to www, pointing to the same IP. If you prefer only the root to work, you can set up a redirect in Firebase later, but adding the www record now is the simplest way to make both addresses resolve. Back in the Firebase console, click Continue or Finish to complete the setup. DNS changes don't take effect instantly. Propagation can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 24 hours, depending on your registrar and existing DNS caching. During this time, your domain may flicker between states or show a pending message in Firebase. This is normal. As soon as your records are verified, Firebase will automatically provision an SSL certificate for your domain. You don't need to buy or install anything extra. When that's complete, your site will be served securely over HTTPS, and your custom domain should load your Firebase hosted content. If you don't see it right away, give it a bit more time and clear your browser cache before checking again.